Hi,
Hi,
Jammers.
Jammers.
It's funny because I'm a hi, Jammers.
You do that?
Who's Lindsay? Oh, yeah, her.
Yeah. Go on.
Okay, then. Oh, yeah, I think I like her then. I think it was her that I liked her then. Um, uh, so let's see. So let's see what friends we have. Well, Apple is a good friend of my cousin's.
But no apple. But boy.
Who's your best friend on Animal Jam?
I think I seen them. Go to try. If there's a guy named sorry if you can hear the dog in the background.
Yeah, he has a hard time breathing. And if he can't, well, then there's a dog in the back breathing.
You don't listen to me? Come on.
My cousin's gonna take the dog for swimming because he can't really do that well. He has like fluid in his lungs or whatever. And those are the other dogs that bark a lot. Yeah, sorry if you can hear him. Okay, I'm gonna go close the door. Sorry to say this right now at this time, but anyway, never mind.
Why didn't I teach you fish? Hey, you know how they say A for apple in the alphabet?
Mm-hmm.
It's A for apple.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I think it is. It's in ABC order, your buddy list, you know? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's in ABC order. I don't think it was good at school then. Oh, you're at Appleton?
Remember?
Oh, yeah. That's funny. That for Molly was in the way. Sorry, I had to talk with my other cousin. You probably can hear the other cat. So we just don't know what to talk about. We're just sitting here recording.
Where's the cooling emoji? In the boot. I think we should end it now because I don't even know what time it is.
Okay.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye.